Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Bybit to your bank account. Alright, so let's go ahead, navigate to the Bybit homepage and click on Assets in the top right corner. Select either your funding account or spot account, depending on where your funds are actually being held. Locate the specific fiat currency or cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw from your account. Go ahead and click on the withdrawal button. This is located underneath that currency option. Right, so from here we're going to select fiat withdrawal as your withdrawal type, and if this is your first withdrawal, you'll need to add your bank account by linking a previously used deposit account. Bybit allows up to 3 linked bank accounts for security purposes. Go ahead and input your desired withdrawal amount and select your preferred method. You'll have the options between local bank transfer, you'll have SWIFT or a SEPA. This is depending on your currency as well as your region, so this may differ. Confirm all of your banking details, matching your verified identity information. Go and now complete the security verification process through the email authentication as well as the Google two-factor authentication. Review all your details carefully and then submit your withdrawal request.